Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. Once again, welcome Pakistan International School Science Virtual Learning System. This lecture is for grade second year boys and girls Pakistan Studies, and today we will start new chapter, chapter 3. This is your 11th lecture. Chapter 3, Geography of Geography of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Today we will discuss the geography of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and physical features. In this chapter we will discuss location, boundaries, the neighboring countries of Pakistan, physical profile, seasons, and also we will discuss the temperature zone of Pakistan, then imbalanced economic growth, regional disparities, influence of climate and human life, Pakistan's geostrategic position, transit facilities for Afghanistan and the landlocked Central Asian states, tourist attraction in Pakistan. In this chapter, we will discuss all these topics, and also in this chapter, one topic, map reading, that is not included in your syllabus. Map reading is not included. First topic in your book, that is location. Location of Pakistan. Pakistan, occupies a highly strategic position in the Asian continent. Pakistan is where it is located in South Asia, and it has a very highly strategic position in Asian continent, and it occupies a historic and significant position in Asia. The geostrategic location of Pakistan in the biggest continent of Asia has given it a unique position in the world. And the geographical and strategic location has enhanced Pakistan's importance in the world. Pakistan lies between the latitude of 24 degrees to 36 degree north and between the longitude 61 to 75 degree east. The area of Pakistan, the total area of Pakistan, 7,96,096 kilometers square, and the total population, according to your book, you will write this, but it has increased. Now the population has increased, and this population is according to 1998 census report. And according to that report, Pakistan population was on that time 132.35 million. It can be asked in MCQs, area of Pakistan, population of Pakistan, but according to 1998 census. Boundaries of Pakistan, neighboring countries, Pakistan shares the borders with Afghanistan, India, China, and Iran. These are the neighboring countries of Pakistan. And in the west, Pakistan shares its border, its longest boundary line with Afghanistan, that is 2,612 kilometers. It can be asked in MCQ. Pakistan shares the border, the length of the border can be asked, that is 2,612, and the longest border which shares Pakistan, that is Afghanistan. And the boundary line was demarcated in the year 1893 after a mutual agreement between the Afghan and the British ruler. 1893, you know that on that time British were ruling in the subcontinent, and this boundary line was demarcated between British and Afghan government, and the name of this boundary line, we called it Durand Line. In the southwest, a 909-kilometer long border Pakistan shares with Iran. In the east, a 2,100 kilometer is shared by Pakistan and India. 600-kilometer long Pak-China boundary, Pakistan and China, the neighboring countries and the best friends. all the time in the history, cut across the high Karakoram range. Karakoram range that is built between Pakistan and China, constructed a road, also we called it Silk Route. In the north, this boundary line separated the Muslim majority Chinese province of Xinjiang from Pakistan's northern areas, Gilgit and Baltistan. The coastal area of Pakistan is about 1,059 kilometers long in the south of Pakistan. In the north-west, a narrow strip of Afghan territory named Wakhan, about 20 kilometers at its narrow point, separate Pakistan from Tajikistan. Physical profile. It can be asked in short question, name the physical features of Pakistan or name the major landforms of Pakistan. There are areas of lowest altitude above sea level on the one side and the world's highest mountain peak on the other side, and it is divided into three major parts. These are number one, mountainous region, number two, plateau area, number three, plain. These are the three major landforms of Pakistan, and mountainous region and plateau covered 60%. It can be asked in MCQs, and plain areas covered 40% area of the total land of Pakistan. Physical division of the land of Pakistan, I told you, three regions. Number one, mountainous, number two, plateaus, number three, plain region and plain. Mountainous region, plateau and plain. Now the further division of mountainous region. It can be asked in short question. Name the mountainous region of Pakistan. So you will write the two mountainous region. Number one, southwestern mountainous region. Number two, northern mountains. Two further division of mountainous region. Number one, southwestern mountain region. Number two, north mountain. Then further division of the northern mountains. Also it can be asked in short question, name the northern mountains. These are divided into two parts, Karakoram and Himalaya range. And further division of Himalaya range, that is Shivalik range, Lesser Himalaya and Greater Himalaya. Now the southwestern mountainous region, the further division of the southwestern mountainous region, these are number one, Kethar range, number two, Suleiman range, number three, Waziristan range, Sawat and Chitral hills, Safedko range, and last, Hindu Kush range. These are the western mountain region, south western mountainous region, and these are western mountain region, and this is northwest mountainous region, Hindu Kush range. Then the further division of plateaus is divided two parts. Number one, Potwar Plateau. Number two, Balochistan Plateau. Also, it can be named the plateaus of Pakistan. These are two, Potwar Plateau and Balochistan Plateau. Plains of Pakistan. These are two. Number one, Indus Plain, and number two, Thar. Then the division of Indus Plain. Further division of Indus Plain, Lower Indus Plain, Upper Indus Plain. These are all can be asked in short questions. So prepare it well. Now the seasons of Pakistan. Seasons of Pakistan, you know the variety of the seasons of Pakistan. The atmospheric condition of a place keeps on changing with the passage of time from day to day and from month to month. However, the months which experience similar average of weather are termed as seasons. For instance, those months in which high average temperature and low rainfall are recorded can be grouped together to be called as hot or dry season. And on the other hand, the months which experience low temperature and low rainfall can be grouped together to be called as cool, dry season. In Pakistan, we can form four groups of seasons which represent average condition of weather during the year. Number one, summer season, which starts in April and ends in September. Number two, winter starts in October and it continues till February. Number four, spring season, short season of 2 months, that is March and April. Monsoon, rainy season, And this rainy season starts in August and ends in October. And mercury starts falling in the month of August, and temperature becomes moderate or normal in September to October. The average rainfall in the different areas of Pakistan. The coastal area, humidity prevails throughout the year, but rainfall is steady. Average rainfall in these areas is 175 millimeters per year. This MCQ can be asked. Average rainfall in the coastal area is dash millimeter per year, 175 millimeter per year. Then plains with lowland continental climate. These areas are mostly dry, barren, with low rainfall, and excepting a few limited mountain areas in the northeast areas receive low rainfall. We discussed that these are mostly dry, arid, barren, and low rainfall. So the area receives poor rainfall. Now, mountainous region with high land continental climate. These are the areas of north and northwest mountain region. We discussed at the start. North and northwest region receives rainfall during summer, and the central region of the western mountain receives more rainfall. For example, Waziristan and Kohistan. These are the areas of the western mountains, and these receive more rainfall, 250 millimeter per year. Then north and south, the air carrying water vessel getting slowly and gradually rain form, and this starts low rainfall in these areas. Skardu in the north receives only 93 millimeter per year, and Makran in the south less than 125 millimeter per year. These points can be asked in MCQs. Then continental climate area of Balochistan Plateau. You know that this is the dry part of Pakistan. This division includes northwest part of Balochistan, and this is desert area, dry area, barren area, less rainfall area, which receive less than 125 millimeter rainfall per year. Temperature zones of Pakistan. Temperature zones of Pakistan. Now the variation of temperature in the different parts of the country. You know, we discussed the different seasons in Pakistan, the different seasons in Pakistan, like summer, winter. Now we will discuss the temperature variation, the different temperature in the different parts of the country. Number one, northwestern mountain region. This area mostly the weather will be cold. In this area, mostly the weather will be cold throughout the year, and the winter sustains for 8 months in this area. And these are the coldest places, and mostly the weather will be 0 degrees centigrade. Upper Indus-Sand, this division includes the province of Punjab and major part of the NWSP. And these are the temperature will be high in the month of June and July, and the weather will be extremely hot these 2 months in June and July, and dust storm below tree leaves become dry and wither. In some areas, temperature goes high as 50 degrees centigrade in winter, and however are short, and this weather will be short time. At times it gets very cold and uncomfortable, but mostly the sky remains clear and sun makes the climate pleasant. Lower Indus Plain and coastal area, these are the area near the sea, and in this area about 80 kilometers from the coast, moderate temperature, the normal temperature is maintained throughout the year, and the differences or the variation of temperature in this area are not very sharp. For example, during the first 5 months of the year from January to May, the temperature will be 18 degrees centigrade to 28 degrees centigrade in Karachi. What is the reason? Because of sea, due to the cool breeze blowing from sea. And a variation of only 7 degrees centigrade is recorded during the rest of the year, and Karachi excluded climatic conditions in the rest of Sindh province are similar to those in the Punjab. Now the last topic which we will discuss, the last temperature zone of Pakistan The Balochistan Plateau. In most part of the Balochistan Plateau, winters are extremely cold and summers are extremely hot. And in winter, the temperature will be 0 degrees centigrade at some points due to cold. Northern winds in other areas, dry and bare and arid mountain exhaust heat during daytime and retain high temperature for long. And the hottest point in the world, like CP and Jacobabaad, are also in this area. Means the winter is cold in this area, and the summer they will be hot in the Balochistan Plateau. In the winter, the temperature will be 0 degrees centigrade in the some area due to cold north winds, and in summer, Sibbi and Jacobabaad, these are the hottest points in the world, and temperature will be above 50 degrees centigrade. Okay, students, it's enough for today. Hope you understand today's lecture. Revise these topics. Thank you very much.